Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
Hello, strategists. In this video, I will explain how to play Halo Wars Risk, a thrilling board game set in the iconic Halo universe. This game challenges you to command one of three powerful factions, the Unsk, Covenant, or the Flood, across a board featuring 42 territories and 6 sectors. Your ultimate goal is to complete specific military achievements or conquer all opposing forces. We will cover everything from initial setup to advanced strategies, ensuring you are ready for battle. To begin, prepare the battlefield by placing 15 neutral colonies randomly across the map. These count as additional territories. Each player then chooses a faction and places their base along with their starting units onto their chosen territories. Next, deploy your unique hero miniature into any territory you control. Finally, place mobile teleporters to create new connections between previously separated territories, enhancing your strategic movement options across the board. Gameplay unfolds in turns, starting with deploying reinforcements. You gain units by dividing your controlled territories and colonies by 3, plus any sector bonuses. Next, you can attack adjacent enemy territories. To attack, move at least 2 units from one of your territories into an enemy-controlled area. Combat is resolved with dice rolls. The attacker rolls up to 3 dice and the defender rolls up to 2. Compare the highest dice, then the second highest. The higher number wins, and the defender wins all ties. Halo Wars Risk introduces several special rules to enhance gameplay. Faction cards, earned by conquering territories, feature 1 or 2 skulls that can be traded for extra units. Your hero miniature offers a significant advantage, providing a +1 bonus to your highest die roll in any combat they participate in. Victory is achieved by being the first to complete 3 campaign card objectives, or by eliminating all opposing players from the game. In larger games, 4 or 5 players form teams, adding a cooperative layer to the conquest.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.